Ladies and gentlemen, guess what? We are now down to the final skit. Who else had fun this evening? No, I knew you had more fun than that. How much fun did you have this weekend?
How many people have to go back to boring, meaningless jobs in 2 days?
How many people have to go back to boring, meaningless school in 2 days?
How many of you are unemployed?
How many of you are bums?
Those are the people we found sleeping under the table, security, just so you know.
Indeed we did. All right.
Are you guys set?
We all set here? You guys ready to go?
Thumbs, does anybody? Thank you.
Yes, we have thumbs. Excellent.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Most skits teach you the meaning of love and friendship. It's after school special day, don't worry. This one will teach you. This one will teach you the meaning of fear. I'm intrigued. MeowAbout Cosplay presents Pokemon. This is Pokemon Sulfur.
The starter town was originally called Silent Hills. Today, our heroes will take a journey through this exciting new world of Pokemon.
This is so awesome! Today I get to beta test the new Pokemon game. I'm on my way to go see Professor Elm. Today I begin my Pokemon adventure. Hello, Professor! I'm ready for my first Pokemon! Professor? Today you said,
Welcome. I see you've come for your first Pokemon. How about Chikorita, Cyndaquil, or Totodile?
Can I have a Jigglypuff?
Sure, why not? While you're at it, I have a little errand for everyone. If you run into a guy named James, please give him this videotape. Tell him it's from her.
Her who?
No, not me! You will know who it's from. Oh, and here's your Jigglypuff. Have a nice day.
Yay! Thanks, Professor! Oh, hello, mister. Hey, are you a trainer?
Who are you? What do you want from me?
I'm Chris. I'm a Pokemon trainer. Oh, and I have an errand to run for the professor. Oh, hey, do you know...
Chris. I don't know, Chris. You're not friends with that red pyramid thing, are you?
Red Pyramid? Is that a Pokemon? I want to catch it!
Is that tape?
I don't know. It's some old tape the professor wanted me to give a guy named James. Hey, do you know him?
Yeah, I'm James. It's for me? No, it can't be for me.
Ow! What's wrong with you? It's just a radio. Here's your tape, mister. Hey, what are you doing?
Looking for monsters.
Monsters? See, I thought you were a trainer. Yeah, Mr. James? Professor Elm told me to give this tape to you. He just said it was from her. Who's he talking about, Mr. James?
Her? No, that tape can't be from her. She's been dead 3 years. I had to do it. I couldn't watch her suffer. I had to. Yes, I did it. I killed her.
I killed her because I love her!
I still love her. I'm sorry, Jess.
Mr. James! I told you I wanted to die, James. I wanted the pain to end. Who was that?
That's why I did it, Jess. I couldn't watch you suffer.
You awful man! Come on with your life, James. And I'll destroy that
We're in trouble. Go, Red Pyramid!
see you again.
Jigglypuff, now that you're all better. I don't think I want to play this game anymore. Sorry.